Good morning, good afternoon and good evening. So today I got Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the Exynos model, Galaxy A71 Snapdragon chipset, Galaxy A73 Snapdragon chipset. I have flashed the GSI ROM, name XDroid operating system. The version of the XDroid operating system is 13.0.10. This is the GSI ported ROM XDroid having Android 13. If I talk about calling, yes, the calling is working. The Bluetooth connectivity and the audio on the Bluetooth working very fine. So I flashed this XDroid GSI ported ROM on Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Finally, it got booted. And then on Galaxy A71, yes, it got booted. And then on Galaxy A73, yes, it got booted. Flashing this ROM on any mobile phone does not have any hard way, only simple way to get the custom recovery installed on your mobile phone and simply flash the ROM. This is the settings interface of the current ROM that I got on these three mobile phones. The face unlocking is currently not working with any of these phones, and yes, the fingerprint sensor is also not working. Only if you have set the lock screen with a password or with a pattern, that is working. And yes, the camera perfectly working, either taking a pictures or recording videos. Well, I got these three mobile phones. Each mobile have their own charm. I like the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the looks and the screen colors, and the ROM is looking much beautiful having it on Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I got my SIM card, and yes, the network is working. Oh yes, the flashlight is working, and we can also increase the strength of the flashlight by going where, let me show. In the settings menu, if you can see treble settings, if I tap here, there are few settings provided with the ROM. Because this is the GSI ROM, well, mostly GSI ROM is coming with this treble settings. If something is not working, you can come over here and check the things out. Like A71 and A73 was having a brightness issue when I flashed this ROM, but the Note 10 Plus was not having any issue. Then I fixed the brightness issue by coming to the treble settings and then going to this features and scroll down. I just put a tick sign on use linear screen brightness slider or something like that. When I put a tick sign, then the brightness got fixed and it got bright. Now the both mobile phone having no issue with the brightness. So what I mean to say that the GSI ROM, if having any issue, you can come to the treble settings and you can check the things out and you can fix the things out. The XDroid, the GSI ported ROM is coming with the Android 13 version. While the A71 is also getting stock firmware of Android 13 and the A73 also same, but the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is not getting the stock firmware of Android 13. You can still flash any GSI ported ROM or any customized ROM to get the updated Android version. Well, so far I checked the ROM and the things that usually we use in daily basis working fine. If you want to flash this ROM, watch the further video. Before going ahead, if you are getting help from my videos, do not forget to like the video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. If you are a flashaholic, then you must know that mobile phone requires an Unlock Bootloader to flash any custom ROM. Check the mobile phone battery, it must be charged. Save all the internal storage data, otherwise the data will get formatted. If you have One UI and you have logged in the Samsung account, remove the Samsung account to avoid issues. Also sync your Gmail account and then must remove to avoid issues. Turn off the lock screen by selecting the swipe. These are the things that we have to do before starting the flashing procedure. Well, I'm going to flash the ROM on my Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So I will keep away these two phones and I have done all the things that I just did and simply power off the mobile phone then. Well, you must know that the mobile phone must have an Unlock Bootloader and it must have a custom recovery already installed to get the GSI ROM. Link provided in my video description. If you want to try this ROM, then click the link, download the ROM. This is the slim variant of the XDroid Android 13. It comes in zip format like this type of extension. So we have to extract it first, then open the extracted folder so we can see the file having IMG extension. We need a data cable, and always use a good quality data cable for flashing or for charging. Now I will boot the mobile phone into custom recovery. The mobile phone is supposed to be totally power off. Check the other side of the cable must be connected with computer. Connect the cable with the mobile phone, then press and hold the power key and volume up key. In few seconds, when Samsung logo appears, then release the power key first, and then after 5 seconds you can release the volume up key. So the phone will boot it into TWRP or something like that. Basically it is the custom recovery. I got the team-win recovery on my mobile phone. Swipe to allow modification. Then I will check the storage is encrypted or decrypted. Install, and you can see the file or the folder's names is not in proper form. It cannot be readable, so means that storage got encrypted. We have to decrypt the storage. I will first make the brightness little bit higher so we can see the things clearly. Now on the main screen, tap wipe, then tap format data, type YES and tap here. When done, then go back to main screen, tap reboot and tap recovery. Swipe to allow modifications. The internal storage will get appears on your computer screen. Copy the ROM file having extension of IMG from the downloaded folder. Then go to the internal storage of the mobile phone and paste that image file on the internal storage. It will take a time, so we have to wait. So I got the file on my internal storage. I am done from my computer. First of all, I will disconnect the cable from the mobile phone. Then unlocking the Note 10 Plus custom recovery screen, and then tap wipe, then tap advanced wipe, scroll down and select the system partition, then swipe to format it. When done, then go back to main screen. Let me hide the brightness little bit. Yes, now it is much better. Then tap install on the main screen and then tap install image. You will see the file or the ROM file name. Select the file name by tapping on it, and then select system image over here and then swipe to start flashing. Done. Then go back to main screen and tap wipe, tap format data, type YES and tap here. When done, then tap reboot system. Same method can be applied on other Samsung mobile phones also. The mobile phone will stay little while on this Note 10 Plus logo, and then soon it will start booting to the XDroid GSI ported ROM. Very fast when very stable. You can see that the first boot got completed, took few seconds. I will complete the setup screen. Done. I got the ROM very smoothly on my mobile phone. The resolution is not okay, so I will fix the resolution first because this is Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Tap display, then tap display size and text, and I will tap the display size. I will tap the plus sign, and then I will bold the text also. Okay, got it. And then I will tap to turn off the dark theme. Things done very smoothly and very perfectly. ROM is coming with the pre-installed camera application, the Open Camera. And if I tap settings, so this is the settings interface of the XDroid ROM. If I tap the about phone, then if I tap the firmware information, so what is this? This is actually the GSI ported ROM XDroid having Android 13. Yes, almost stable ROM. Those who like to have a custom ROM on the mobile phone, check it out. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.